everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and I am going to talk about why are we running after the English and the importance of English. Please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video could be helpful to improve your English speaking. Without further ado, let's get started. Please like, subscribe and share. So, I am going to talk about the importance of English. English is very essential for us nowadays, and the importance of English is increasing day by day. Why is it so? It is happening just because English is playing important role in every field. And many years back, English didn't have any importance, but now English has importance. And most important thing, the learning of English is difference between success and failure. And the most difficult part of our life is our career. That's why we need to learn English. And if you want to get good job, if you want to get as much as success, then you have to learn English. And guys, however excellent you are, but if you do not know English, you would not make good impression to others. You do not get good job. And those people who speaks English very confidently and with fluency, they will consider you less than themselves. So we have to learn English. And no matter how intelligent you are, no matter how good in English you are, but if you do not speak English with confidently and with fluency, you will not consider as intelligent. If you know English, if you speak so fast and so if you speak confidently and with fluency, then people will consider you, oh, that guy is so intelligent, so smart. So if you want to get good job, and if you want to make good impression to others, then you have to learn English. And you have to learn English. And I hope you will get my point. If you and the entire world is yours if you know English, and you can impact the world by learning English. So if you want to get good job, and if you want to make good impression to others, you have to learn English and you have to try to speak English. I am also trying to speak English. I want to improve my English speaking. Please help me to improve my speaking. And thanks for watching.